Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have part 1 of my Scentsy fall flash sale. So Scentsy did a 2-day flash sale where things got drastically marked down. Like you were able to get warmers for under $20. They had like one bar. They did have a lot of scent circles, scent packs, body care, all marked down. It was literally the perfect time to shop if you wanted to gift Scentsy, as well as I bought in so I would have some fresh stock for vendor events. So if you guys did not know, I am a Scentsy independent consultant. I will have my link below if you want to check out my website, and if you guys are looking for anything particular, definitely feel free to leave me a comment so I can guide you in the right direction. So let me go ahead and get started and show you guys what I got. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this because the picture was facing our way. Gonna adjust my camera a bit here so you can see the box better. So this is the Country Born Warmer. This is the Cowboy Hat Warmer. During flash sale, this got marked down to $16, I believe, the first day, $14 the second day, or it might have been $14 the first day and like 12 and some change the second day. So I will go ahead and open this so you guys can see what it looks like. As always, you do have your care instructions as well as your warranty and warning information up top. So Scentsy always packs their warmers super well. Here is the top of the hat. So that's the top of the hat that goes on the Country Born Warmer. You have your dish that goes on the inside. And then down here you have your base. So this is an element warmer, which I'm kind of surprised. For some reason I thought that this was a bulb warmer. But this is an element, and it's definitely bigger than I thought. So you have the base of your cowboy hat. You put your tray in there. And then you put your lid on the top. I'm going to go ahead and take the tray off. That way the lid will fit seamlessly since I haven't unwrapped the tray, so that you guys can have a better view of this warmer. So like I said, this is the Country Born Cowboy Hat Warmer. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and pull some of this paper out of the way so I can get rid of that. Here is another warmer. Oh, yeah, this one I bought for myself. So this is actually not going into my stock. This is the Lemonade Pitcher Warmer. Let me go ahead and unbox that one for you. This is actually going to be a gift for myself for when we finally get a bigger house, because right now my kitchen's too small to have a warmer. But I didn't want to pass this up because I wanted this warmer more than anything. Once again, warning and warranty and care instructions. So let's go ahead and crack open the Lemonade Pitcher Warmer. So this one has a clear dish. Has a lip on the dish, that way it looks like a spout for a lemonade pitcher. Then we have the actual warmer. So this is what the lemonade pitcher looks like. Take the plastic off, looks like that. And then this is a bulb warmer. So this is not an element warmer, this is a bulb warmer. So you can buy replaceable bulbs for this. Let me go ahead and put the lid on it so you guys can get the full effect and see what it looks like. So there you go. That is the Lemonade Pitcher Warmer. I am totally obsessed with this. I think that this is so, so, so cute. So I have one more warmer to show you guys, and this one as well I picked up for myself. This was on clearance for $14. And this is the spoonful, or the sugar warmer. It's made to look like a sack of sugar. This was priced so low that I got, I think, one for my stock and one for myself. You'll see the other one in an upcoming Scentsy flash sale video, because I have like 3-4 shipments coming from the flash sale, because you got to get on, you got to place your orders right away. You can't dilly-dally around. So let me go ahead and open the spoonful warmer to show you guys. So this is the lid to the spoonful warmer, and it does have an opening, that way the fragrance emits very well out of it. So it looks like that. And oh, this warmer is so cute. This is an element warmer, so this does not take the bulb, and it has a built-in tray, so the tray is not removable on this one. So this is the sugar sack element warmer. Like I said, no removable tray in this one, so you're gonna want to use your like cotton balls to soak up your scent, and your lid just sits on top. So that is the spoonful warmer. Super cute, excellent price. Like, you can't go to Walmart and really buy a good quality warmer for $14. So I believe I have just one more item in here. No, I got a couple more items in here to show you guys. This I picked up for a customer, and this is Sunkissed Citrus Washer Whiffs. So she will be picking her order up this week, and that's for her. She got some other stuff as well. And then I picked these up because I absolutely love and adore the Cinderella Scent. It has been discontinued and pulled from the Scentsy Disney line. So these at the time I think were on clearance for like $2.30. Second day they ended up dropping down to like $1.85. I picked up more the second day, but the first day I did pick up 2 because they were $2.30. So these are for my car. The Cinderella Scent is a super nice perfumey fragrance. I am so glad that I have it on my Scentsy subscription, so I will be able to keep getting it in wax cubes, although it's discontinued. So I hope you guys enjoyed my part 1 of my Scentsy flash sale. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.